Got one of my sexy dream cars, 2019 Porsche GT3 RS. There's the RS on the side. It's legit. Look at this beautiful car. First one in the shop. Then we're gonna get hooked up. I'm gonna let you guys hear it before. Go ahead and start it. That's with the valves closed. It's only got 5,000 miles on it. Give it gas. See how quiet it is? Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 92, again. All right, go ahead and open them. So it sounds really good with the valves open. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 106. One more. Right at, yeah, there you go. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna custom straight pipe it. We're gonna take the muffler off, put a custom Y pipe setup on each side into some nice, good-looking tips. Stay tuned. So that's what the muffler setup looks like on these. We're gonna have to unbolt it right there. Unbolt top and bottom on each side. You guys can see. Take this mid muffler off of it and replace it with pipe. Stay tuned. You guys ever wonder what the GT3 RS muffler looks like? That's what it looks like right there. There's a clamp. It's not hot anymore. It's a double setup. Look at that. So when it's straight pipe, it goes right to the tips. The valve is closed. It goes in there through the muffler, through perforations, and then down to the tips. It's really cool. Cool design. Look at the shape of that muffler. But you know what we do best? Take it off. That's what we did. Took them off and we're gonna straight pipe it. Look at that right there. On each side, I'm gonna do custom Y pipes and straight pipe it. Put some sexy Natami tips on it to finish it off right there. All right, guys, stay tuned. So, GT3 RS. When I tell you guys we custom do everything, look at that. See that right there, guys? We make our own custom Y pipe to fit right there. And straight pipe it on each side. That's how you guys make a muffler delete for it. First one on the channel. There it is. We make them for just about anything. As long as we don't have to take any body parts off, we can build just about anything for these cars. Some of the exotic cars, you have to take the body parts off in order to make it fit. So you guys know. For the GT3 RS. Check it out. We're done with the RS. 911 GT3 RS 2019. What a beautiful automobile. One of my favorites. Look how wide the tire is on the back and the front. Woo! What a sexy, sexy car. And as you guys can see, absolutely nothing under it over here. And if you guys don't know, the engine is in the back. And then we told you guys we'll work just on about just anything. He wanted a muffler delete. That's what we did. So it's got a muffler up here in the back. So we left all this the same. We did some research and we left all this the same where the valve opens and closes, all that good stuff. And then we deleted that mid muffler on it. You see that, guys? And add some custom pipes in there. He just bought it. Doesn't even have a tag for it yet. He's like, I gotta take it to Exhaust Addicts. They do all my exotic cars. So we always hook them up and take care of them. GT3 RS. Look at that beautiful wing that's on it. Just a beautiful car all the way around with a mid muffler delete. There it is. Crazy, crazy design. They had to do 2 custom Y pipes, one on each side to get it to fit. See that? There's the other side. The clamp that held it together. So it's got Y pipes on each side. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video. Yeah, there they are, right there. We did custom on each side Y pipes. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe for more beautiful content. There's a beautiful key to it. And I'll lock it. And I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Check out that inside on it. What a beautiful automobile. Look at that. And if you guys don't know, there's PK, there's Sport, and then there's the exhaust that opens the valves and closes it right there. I love the door, the shift knob with the 911. Here it is, GT3 RS in the corner. There's the cage cluster. Nice. I know you guys, everybody wonders how they open these exotic cars. This one is so cool. You pull that, like a little ratchet strap, but you pull it. All this for weight. That's cool. You can see it's all carbon fiber, even the frunk, it's all carbon fiber. There's enough room that you can put the muffler in there. That's insane. That's cool. Not a lot of sports cars have that much space. So this is so light, guys. Wow. There we go. She's closed. What do you guys think? Would you rather have the sticker or the real thing back? All right, you guys ready to hear it? I know I am. So let's do this. Guys, 2019 GT3 RS. About to start it. We did a mid-muffler delete on it. Here we go. Custom bent everything. So that's with the valves closed. Idle. Right at 75. Let it warm up a little bit. All right, give it gas. That's with valves closed. Yeah, it made a huge difference. Go ahead, again. Right at 113, one more. 111. Again. One more. So that's the valves closed. We're gonna do valves open next. All right, so now we're about to open the valves. Go ahead. So that's valves open. Here's new sound decibels at idle. Right at 77. Go ahead and give it gas. Rev it like that. It's so loud. I like it. Again. Huge difference. Just wait till he drives it down the road. Again. Right at 109. It's probably louder than that. Again. Yeah, 111. It's still a little bit cold. It hasn't warmed up all the way. All right, go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital, right before Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike. All right, put it in park. Go ahead and give it gas again. Valves open, right? Go ahead. Yeah, see it warmed up. Again. What a mean beast. Close the valves. So now this is with the valves closed, guys. Go ahead. So it cleans it up a lot. See, when the valves are closed, it cleans it up a lot, but still sounds phenomenal. I love it. All eight exhaust addicts, guys. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
Now this is with the valves open.
of it. Bro, I was surprised. I'm 6'4" and I fit in it comfortably.
Really?
Yes. So that might be the car I'd be getting. I don't know yet. I'm thinking about it. And it's easy to get in and out of. It's not that bad. Guys, I'm 6'4" and I fit in that car comfortably. So that tells you something. What a bullet, bro! Oh my God! He did it right. That was nice. Did you see that? Look at her. Look at her. What do you think, young lady? Just guys having fun.
Yeah.
That's all we're doing. We're just having fun. What do you think?
Where is it?
It's gone. It's gone.
Yeah.
You need one of those.
No.
Yes.
No.
She needs one of those.
No. Did you see that?
I was recording it. I made your day today. Now you got something to talk to the girlies with about.
Yeah. Man, it didn't swerve or nothing.
Nothing. Only at exhaust adders, guys.